Once in a 10-year snow, I'm gonna attempt to get out to Faulkner Park.
It's a means to win. It'll come soon. Walking around, living the day.
I don't know how this is gonna work. We're gonna give it a try. Very, very wet. But not here at Faulkner Park in Tyler, Texas. We got a once in a 10-year snowstorm. So I'm gonna go enjoy it. Supposed to be hiking the Eagle Rock Loop in Arkansas, but obviously that didn't happen. Check out this view. It's all majestic, but I'm freezing. My hands are cold. I very rarely use gloves. Usually don't need them around here. Maybe today would have been a good day for gloves. It's a lot of snow, especially for East Texas. I'm not used to this. Pretty though. This is gonna be interesting. I got snow everywhere. Oh, she almost got me.
Look at your window.
I know.
Where it's sliding down.
It got thicker while I was gone, didn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Go, get her. Oh, in the head.
No, come on.
Y'all having a good time?